YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back for some quick fix videos on Hayward's AquaNaut 200. This will work for both the 200 and the 250, so stay tuned. We're going to dive right in. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaNaut 200. Again, this will work with the AquaNaut 250. So if you have the two-wheel cleaner, these quick fixes will work for both the AquaNaut as the 200 as well as the 250. So as you guys can tell, I already got some wheels stripped off, set off to the side right here. If you guys want to know how we got where we are right now, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We'll have a playlist fully set up on the cleaner for you guys to watch it from the outside in and figure out how to completely tear this thing apart. For today's video, really simple quick fix. I want to show you guys how to actually remove the blue handle located on the top of the cleaner. Over time, obviously plastic, chemicals, sun, these handles tend to become very brittle and they tend to break. So it is a crucial part for the cleaner itself. So it just allows you guys to be able to take it out of the pool and service it. So the handle is actually pretty nice, and it's not something that you actually have to have in fully working condition for the cleaner to do its thing. But it's a nice little additive that they give you. So again, we'll have all the products that we talk about here located in the links in the description for you guys to come check them out directly on the website to purchase. But I want to show you guys how to take it off so that you guys know what to expect on how to replace it. So only tool that you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. So I got my handy dandy ratchet one here. And what you're going to be looking for is located right towards where the swivel for the hose is on top. You'll see I've got two Phillips head screws right here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these. Again, they're a very long screw. So you're going to want to make sure that you completely take them all the way out. This will help you guys if you're in the process of trying to remove this top shroud. So it will be another step that you'll need to take in order to get that shroud off. But I'm going to go ahead and fully remove and pull out these screws. Again, really long screws. They are meant to be shroud screws, so they hold both the handle and the shroud down under the cleaner, so it does go all the way down through. So you do want to make sure that you're putting the right screws back where they belong. Again, always smart if you guys are going to do any kind of repairs on any cleaner. Make sure you guys get away from the pool surface and get to a flat surface like I'm working on right now. Just make sure that you guys don't drop any of these screws in the water and have to fish them out, cause you guys more time and trouble. So I'm gonna go ahead and set those off to the side. Excuse me. And then the next thing you're gonna do is just kind of gently wiggle and lift. You want to be careful because the front of the actual handle itself has a little lip that tucks into the white shroud. So don't just yank it up and snap that off. I guess if you're replacing an old one, it doesn't really matter. You just don't want to damage the actual shroud because then it's going to be a whole nother piece of equipment that you got to buy. So just be gentle when you guys are lifting this up. That'll give you access in here where you'll find a third screw that we'll get into in another video on how to remove the shroud. But really straightforward. If you buy this new handle, it's going to come with the new AquaNaut logo on the side. So that way you guys got everything to stay up to date and staying original for your cleaner. We only sell OEM products. So again, make sure you guys check out all the links. But really simple. Just want to show you guys how to do that. Remove these two screws. It gives you full access to that handle. And then that way you guys can finish doing whatever repairs that you might need to do. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Please be sure to subscribe. And again, if you want to see some other videos, check out the links in the description. Always smash that like button. And until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.